We don't normally do unboxings on the show, but this was so cool. This is a present from my nephew, James. Thank you, James. I'm only just getting around to opening it. This is an electric precision screwdriver set. James knows that I'm a massive fan of my RC stuff and figured this would be a great one for me. It's by a company called EZARC, if that's how you say it. And this is the outer box. Then there's an inner box, which we'll get to. Let's just pop that there. So as you can see, it looks like you get a lot of bits with it, and it is a electronic screwdriver, and that does look like it's got some sort of digital readout. I really am unboxing this for the first time with you guys. I haven't had a little look inside or anything, so if you want to pause the screen and have a look there, that is the kind of stuff we're going to be finding inside. Hopefully there'll be all the useful sizes. So that's what you get in the box. What have we got in here? So I see. So let's get that into the screen. There is, if I can get it right, there's a Type-C charging cable included. We've got millions of these, so we'll just leave that in there. But it is nice that they include one just in case you've been living under a rock or something. Let's leave that in the background. So it comes, James did say that it comes in a really cool case, and he wasn't kidding. That is so cool. This is going to be a great way to have a great big selection of tools with me when I'm out in the field, with that addition of having electric. What's this on top? Look, it's got a little tab with pull written on it. Neodymium magnets with a cool little plastic bit, and I'm guessing that is the latch for holding it still. Right, let me get it out of this plastic and then I'll be back with you. Well, let me tell you that they were not messing. when they designed this, they were not messing. Right, let's get that off of there. That's hopefully not going to be something that I lose, but you know, we all know. Right, what's the best way for me to open it up for you guys? Oh, I can see a little light has come on the... Did that intelligently just switch on? Or have I bopped one of the batteries? Got a little bit of a peel there. Oh, yeah. We did the peel. Oh, it's got some of the stuff. Don't eat this, guys. It still makes my head hurt. Look how clever this is. Might need a little bit more room. We are in the middle. The reason I'm doing this now is because I'm just about to do some spannering. Let me get that out of the way. Look at that. My goodness. So there's a full selection of Torx bits. Oh, it looks like there's some easy outs in here, some countersinking bits. We've got hex. I don't even know what they are. Triangles, squares. Wow, looks like there's tools for just about everything. Look, it's got those pick tools, you know, for opening stuff. That is epic. James, thank you so much, buddy. I'm super, super into this. There's 2 sets of tweezers. Look at those, got the precision ends on. Sorry, guys, I'm just sort of, I'm looking myself at everything. So these very, very sharp pin nose tweezers. There's another set behind, which are the angled pick type. Don't know how we get those in and out of there. Let me just, yeah, not like that. All right, I'll have to work that out off camera. I won't bore you with me faffing with that for 20 minutes. But let's get these other tweezers out. So it's a nice precision. They're not super sharp, so you're not going to be lacerating yourself, but that's cool. Oh, James, I'm so chuffed for this. But I guess the real important bit is the screwdriver, the electronic screwdriver. Oh, trying to get that back. I see. It just slips in that end first. He says. Get back in there. There we go. Right, I don't want to break anything. Oh, this is nice and light. That's good. What's this? What is that? I guess we're going to have to look at videos or read a manual, but... Wow. So she looks like she needs charging. So this is, yeah, this is righty-tighty. So this is in, that's out. We got settings. I was thinking about this. I could see that it didn't have torque on it, but this is, I'm guessing this is 3 different power settings, which would enable you. And what does that do? Is this torque related? I'm going to have to look at the manual, guys, and come back to you. But the reason, let me just finish the thought from earlier. The reason I've got this out is because I need to do some swapping over. We're working on that bug in the background there, and we are swapping stuff from one rig to another, shocks and whatnot. So I'm going to get this on a charge, and then I'm going to come back and I'll let you know how it works, what these buttons are for. Oh, excuse me. What these buttons are for, and futuristic. It is futuristic indeed. And yeah, we'll come back at you and we'll let you know exactly what all these bits are for. So, what is that for? It's a suction cup, but it's a suction cup for what? It doesn't say what it's for. Anyway, let me work that out and I'll be back with you shortly. I haven't stuck it on charge yet, guys, but look at this. It shows you that's in and that's out. Man, I hope this works well, because if it does, that's incredible. So I haven't managed to find the manual, but it seems like this is related to torque. That's the in and out buttons, and that changes the power setting from 1 to 3. These were done up pretty tight, and I have just undone the shocks. Let's see. I don't know if I've got thread locker in these. Yeah, that was extremely tight, but you shouldn't be using a power tool to do the end bits anyway, really. We do here, but for someone who's got joint pain like I have, this is the bit that kills me. Absolutely kills me. So just nip it up with a proper driver. So I guess one of the things that this is going to do, it's going to stop you stripping out your screws. You're not going to be wrecking your bits. Anyway, listen, I'm going to do the rest of this off camera. The kit and all the heads and everything would be a small fortune, and the driver, it's not like if you're used to using an ugga dugger, it is going to seem a bit unwieldy or lackluster, but all the features that are built into it, I actually think it's a worthwhile bit of kit. It's going to be fantastic to have in my toolkit. I'm going to have every end piece that I want. All I'm going to need is that, a couple of pairs of pliers and some thread locker and stuff in my kit. This is going to do everything I need out in the field. And again, James, thank you so much for this. I'm going to get the rest of this apart now.